In this video we will discuss how to use an m3u playlist file in Scorpio Player. First of all, if you haven't installed the Scorpio Player app yet, search for Scorpio Player in the Microsoft Store. Make sure you download the latest version, Scorpio Player 2025. I have already installed it, so let's open the app. After opening the app, click the Start button in the transport bar and then click Add. Find the IPTV playlist under the network. Here, you can enter any m3u playlist file URL using the HTTP protocol. We will import this into Scorpio Player. I will now find a public IPTV m3u playlist file using GitHub. Go to github.com and search for IPTV. There are various repositories available, but we will stick with the first one. It is publicly maintained and quite active. Here, you can see the instructions. I will use a simple example, grouping by country. Let's find all groups by category, such as animation, family, and more. I will choose New Zealand. You can copy this URL and paste it into the app. Download the file if necessary. I have already downloaded it, so let's open it as a text file. You can see it is in the m3u playlist file format. You can modify this file as you wish. Rename the title, remove unwanted channels, and keep only those you want. Paste this link into the app. Copy the URL and paste it here. Test it. If it passes, you can give it a custom name. Test it again, and if it passes, save it. You will see it saved successfully. Now we have IPTV NZ. Open this playlist. I will open it now. As you can see, you can now watch TV or any other content. I will close that. If you want to modify this file and create a custom channel list, you can keep everything intact. Let's say you want to modify it. Delete the unwanted channels. Keep only half of them, for example. This is a static m3u file that can be served through various methods. If you have a GitHub account, you can utilize the Gists feature on GitHub. You may not have any gists yet. Create a new gist and copy the entire m3u playlist file content into it. Paste it here and give it a name. Let's say IPTV and z.m3u playlist file. Create a public gist and click Create. Now we have this file. We need to get a direct link. One way to do this is by clicking Raw. This will give you the full URL. Copy this link and go back to the app. Select the IPTV playlist and paste the link here. Now we are using the GitHub link for IPTV to test it, and if it passes, you are good to go. You can see it still works. But what if you don't have internet access? Let's say you want to use the Scorpio Player Xbox version without internet access. If you don't have a GitHub account, you can host this file on your computer. Now you can see we are sharing the desktop folder. You can monitor the shared path. Share the desktop folder. Now listening to HTTP, you can access this through the browser. Since I'm on my local computer, I can use localhost. If you are using a different computer, use its IP address. For example, localhost/desktop. Copy this link and paste it into the app. However, it won't work if the server is running on the same computer as the Scorpio Player UWP app, due to app sandboxing. If you are using the iPhone iPad version, Xbox version, or tvOS version of Scorpio Player, you can use this link to access your file. Find out your computer's IP address. You can see your IP address under Internet. Change localhost to your IP address, e.g., 192.168.1 port. From your phone or Xbox, access the link. Since this is the same computer, it won't work here. This way, you can completely customize your playlist URL, pointing to different sources. I hope this tutorial helped you. Please like and subscribe to this channel. If you have any questions, please comment below. I'll do my best to answer. Thank you for your attention and see you next time.